Cutting a large crab. Here we go. You just start chopping it, huh? He's alive, you chopping it. You just pop on the cutting board, you just start chopping it. Yep, your mom doing it right. Just chop the legs off. Chop the bottom. Let him walk.
If he's walking, he's gonna walk away. What are you talking about?
That one's dead.
His is dead.
No.
Wow, that's a big crab.
Yeah. No.
That's an obedient crab.
That's all I was thinking too.
You beat his head first. Come on. Give me. You need a bigger one. You need one of these.
Well, he's sliding off. He's gonna go on an adventure.
ไม่ตรงๆอ่ะมา Hey, your mom got it.
I got him to knock it out. It's still not knocked out.
Here, Kristen, come over here. You hold it. See what you want. Stop chopping.
No, I gotta knock it out.
No, you do not knock anything out. Give it to me.
Knock it out. See, now it fell asleep. The crab is knocked out now.
Stop chopping the leg. Oh, it's alive.
Yeah, it is.
That's not a good spot.
Come on. Watch the throat it.
You recording it? Send it to Darren. Well, actually, don't send it to Darren.
No. One leg at a time. What are you doing?
I got 3 legs this time.
Delicious.
Claim back up. Aim your mom. Your mom gotta be in a frame, otherwise. There
Oh,
you go. There it is.
harmless crab.
Yep.
Yikes.
Now save the. We'll get the sauce. Right?
Oh,
What's the rule with the sauce? We'll get some sauce.
Here's the guts.
oh, so is it dead now?
I thought you're supposed to put the good stuff in the.
There's the good stuff.
Yeah, that's the good stuff.
And then this part you have to scrub.
You're a lazy filmer. You gotta go.
Well, I have to do my homework.
Sometimes you gotta go like. Well, he's in a pot. Your mom put some cool in. We'll see. Ginger, lemongrass, garlic, kipo leaf. Stir it up. Curry, red.
Take a step.
Ngon quá nha. Cool nha, อร่อย
We are not tired.
Cool chưa? Okay, then mixing the gut thôi. Chị cháu. Mang á. Quyết định mang á. Jenny grandpa. His recipe. Butchering his recipe.
Maybe it was
Look good.
1 egg and not 2 eggs.
Okay. I cook very fast, very healthy. Get the white meat. Okay, done. Let's see what those kids are up to. Get the knives. Okay, it's completed.
You need one more?
No.
5 people.
right.
Let's
See
eat,
it?
let's eat. Ooh.
This part has the most meat. It just has little soft shells in between. For like
This
sections.
one's supposed to chop it 4 times.
You like this.
Yeah, this.
You don't like the
No,
idea?
cut one more time.
You know, all meat,
So this,
in
all
order
you
for
gotta
it to
do
be
is take it
harvested.
like this. And scoop
The
it
guy's
out.
arms off. The guy's gonna have like hit him in the brain or something.
I did try to knock them out. It didn't work. So this part is like this. See that? Yes, that's the meat. You just scoop it out like this. There's like little sections. What do you call it?
Rule.
Cartilage. Cartilage goes wrong.
Actually, not cartilage because it's a little bit harder.
Doesn't work like that.
Boy,
Rice
I need a little bit of pepper.
The rice is a little bit soft.